I'm Dennis Cusack, and I'm a real estate broker down in the city, and this is my 1954 Cadillac. But I've had this car for, I don't know, I think I've had it for 20 years. I can't remember exactly when I bought it, maybe 15 years. It was an original car, but it was always fighting me, and I always fantasized about doing something with it. And then I met with these guys, and then went back way back when, right where they were opening up, and it's been a journey.
I really, yeah. I see what you're saying. It's connecting rear seat. So if it went around, I'll have this really cool body here. Good stuff, dude. Good holiday weekend.
The whole idea of this car basically is to keep it to look like a 54 Cadillac, to make it custom and badass and go really fast. So that's basically, like I said, it's been a journey.